we're gonna talk about the IPL treatment, which is the photofacial. It's a very popular treatment and people get asked for it because it has so many benefits. It's a light treatment, it's not a laser treatment. So it does help the photoaging, which is caused by the sun. So what's photoaging is the effect of the UVA on our skin, which can break the collagen, it can cause fine lines, it can cause wrinkles, and also it can cause those brown spots we call it lentigines. So those are all things that happen when we get exposed to the sun, or by normal aging when people start having pores or start having fine lines and stuff. This is the treatment of choice, which we call it IPL. The IPL is an amazing one because it's safe if you know where and how to use it. So I just want to say here that I've seen some people coming and they have dark skin and they went to places where they didn't know where to have their treatment, and they didn't understand physics, and they didn't understand what is the IPL and who should we treat people with IPL with. So they were darker skin and they caused some hyperpigmentation to them. We're gonna talk in a different video about the hyperpigmentation, and please follow this next video because it's really important. However, when you treat skin types, we classify skin types according to the color of the skin. So this IPL is a good treatment for skin type 1, 2, 3 maximum. I wouldn't treat skin type 4 and 5 and 6 with it. So darker people, this is not the treatment for them because it causes them to have a hyperpigmentation. So if we know how to treat and who should we treat, it is IPL and light skin, and this treatment is good for the brown spots was caused by sun. It is caused for rejuvenation. It decreases the pore sizes and also rejuvenate. As we mentioned before in a previous video, if you fire any laser in at any face, of course the right laser and the right skin, of course, having heat and having energy stimulate more collagen production, either it was light or it was laser. But however, I just want to highlight the fact that you got to understand that there is certain thing that can happen. Laser and light, they are amazing, but if you know how to use them, if you don't know how to use them, you're gonna run in deep trouble. So today I'm gonna show you the IPL and what we have here in our place. So this is our IPL handpiece, and this is a machine that's called Elos Plus. And Elos Plus means this technology are integrating radio frequency with the IPL. So you see this glassy bar, and maybe the camera can get close to this one. So this glassy bar where the IPL is coming from. But if you see those two rods on the side, this is the radio frequency. And I want to show you something very interesting about this machine and this technology, which doubling the benefit of your treatment. So hold on, there's some noises here. When you turn the machine on, it causes some noise, but I hope that you can hear me now. Okay, so look at this screen. So this is how the technology is. We're shooting the IPL, which is the yellow light. And this is the radio frequency rods I'm talking about here. And what happened is the radio frequency seals the effect and double the effect of the rays that goes inside your face. And always, if you think about any skin toning, that's a radio frequency. So if we need to tone the skin, that's a radio frequency. And this is why I want to say something here, that this treatment can be a bit painful than any other normal IPL, which doesn't have the radio frequency, but it's double the benefit. And when I'm able to increase the amount of the radio frequency here, I can maximize your effect. And And this is why the great results we have, I would relate it to the technology, and I can change the pulses here. It's a short pulse, it's a long pulse. I can treat pigment, I can treat the broken vessels. Amazing thing that you can think about. IPL is a good treatment. Skin rejuvenation also, it helps acne, it helps photo damage that happens to the skin, the brown spots. IPL for only skin, lighter skins, is not for dark skin. Technology is different, so not any IPL machine can do the same thing. There is energy, there is physics, there is radio frequency, which is the plus. Laser is not something that you should trust anybody to do it if they don't understand how they do it. I hope this was kind of informative. I don't want to go in more details about more physics and more lasers, but I think this is, simply speaking, some safety guidelines which can make you understand that you don't go anywhere and you don't do a treatment that can cause any side effects, which is harder to treat. If you have any more question, please let us know. It's Dr. Boulos from Dr. Boulos Newmarket, Medical Spa Newmarket, 905-868-8000.